In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a PDF of a worksheet or activity that you normally do in class and turn it into a Google Slides activity. It will become a very basic kind of digital assignment, but it might be one that you need for remote learning, and you'll see some features of Google Slides that you can use when you're creating more advanced sorts of digital assignments. So here's a PDF that I have on my computer, and I want to take it and be able to plug it into Google Slides without a whole lot of copying and pasting. So the basic workflow here is that I need to convert this PDF into images, where it's a picture file of each page, and then I can import those picture files of each page into Google Slides. Now, there's ways on your computer where you can export it as a picture, but let me show you a method that will work for anybody, no matter what kind of computer you have. Here, I'm going to put a link on the Google Classroom. It's a link to an Adobe page with a free online version of Acrobat, and it'll let you convert a PDF to a JPEG. It lets you select a file on your computer, so you'll find the place on your computer that has the PDF that you want to convert. It'll upload that file. It'll give you options for what you want to convert it to. JPEG is probably going to be your best option, and you can convert. Now that my file's ready, I can download it, and it'll save it to the downloads folder on my computer. Then I can go over to Google Drive and create a new Google Slides blank presentation. I'm going to do a couple things here. I'm going to delete these text boxes because I don't need them for now. And I need the slide to be the same shape as the PDF, which means it needs to be the shape of a piece of paper. So I'm going to go to Page Setup under the File menu, change it from widescreen to custom, and put in 8.5 by 11 inches because that's the size of a piece of paper. What we're going to do is import the pictures as a background, one picture to be the background on each separate slide. Now the file that downloaded was actually a zip file that has pictures in it. I've moved it to a different location on my computer, and I double click it and my computer unzips it and makes a folder that has all of the JPEGs. This was an 8-page document. I'm just going to show you how to import one or two of these pages and then what you'll do with it from there. So when you're looking at a blank slide here, I'm going to choose background and choose image, and it'll let you upload pictures from your computer. Now it does have to be a picture file like a JPEG. It can't be a PDF, which is why we had to go through the process of making these JPEGs. So I'm going to select the first page and click Done, and it's now a picture that's the background of the slide, and it's completely ineditable. I can't select the text, I can't move it around, it's just there. But that also means that the students can't select it either and mess things up. Now what I need to do for my last step is to create spaces where the students can answer these questions, because they can't do that right now. So I'm going to create a text box, drag a rectangle in this empty space, and I'm not actually going to type an answer in. This is where students could type an answer in. But I do want to change the text box a little bit and make it so that it's visible to the students even when it's not selected. So I'm going to go up here to the fill color option, and I like one of these very light color options so that when students type in it, it's not too bold of a color behind their typed text. But that'll kind of train them that wherever they see this color box, they need to type. I can copy and paste that box and move it to the next space, and then copy and paste until all these spaces have a box in them. For this last question on the page that wants them to circle the atom in each pair, I could go ahead and create a circle shape for them that they would be able to drag and drop. I'll change the colors of this shape. I want the inside to be transparent, the outside maybe to be some bold color, and I can choose this border weight and make it thicker so it's a circle that they can see, and they can drag it over the ones that they want. And I'll just make several copies of this circle so they have enough. Alright, so this page is ready for the students to fill in. I will go up to the top and choose to create a new blank slide. Click on background and now choose a different image, one for the second page, and repeat the process that I just went through. So again, this is a pretty basic type of assignment to give. If you're short on time, it's quicker to make than some of the more creative, more engaging digital assignments, but it's at least a place to start. And we also saw in this video a second way for you to make elements on a page inaccessible by uploading a background image. That's a separate option over using the slide master that I showed you in a different video.